In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Keep to Google Calendar in just 5 minutes. This integration can help streamline your productivity by ensuring that your notes and to-do lists in Google Keep are synchronized with your Google Calendar. This way, important reminders and tasks are always visible and at your fingertips. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, open your web browser and head to Google Apps. If you're using Chrome, you'll find this in the upper right-hand corner of your browser. It's represented by a grid of dots. Click on it to reveal a menu of various Google applications. As we dive in, locate Google Keep from this menu. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, you might need to scroll a bit, or sometimes it can be hidden under More if your list of apps is extensive. Once you spot it, click on Google Keep. This will open up your Google Keep dashboard where all your notes and lists reside. With Google Keep open, let's pivot back to the Google Apps menu one more time. We need to locate Google Calendar now, so again click on the app icon represented by the grid of dots, spot Google Calendar, and click on it to open it up. This will take you directly to your Google Calendar interface where you manage your schedule and events. On the right side of the Google Calendar, there's a sidebar where you'll find a collection of Google applications designed to work seamlessly with your calendar. Among them, you should notice a small icon for Google Keep. Click on this icon and it should open a pane on the side with all your Google Keep notes. Next, inside Google Calendar, click on Reminders. This step is all about establishing a connection between your reminders and your notes. Once you've done that, return to your Keep section. This process will now allow you to manage and view your reminders within the calendar. With Google Keep open on the sidebar, you can now click on Take a Note. This is where you create a fresh note or reminder. When prompted, go ahead and add a title to your note. It's important to give it a clear, concise title to easily track and manage these within your calendar. Once you're happy with the title and content, simply click on Done. Now head back over to Google Keep where you'll see that your note has been successfully synced or linked with your calendar. This simple integration now allows the note to reflect within your Google Calendar so you can stay on top of all your tasks and reminders. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've linked Google